Chup chup.
Well, we've moved down to ringside. Much better view. Right, we are in the Bangkok bus station and we are headed to Chiang Mai.
Yeah, we're taking a night bus, so let's go check this out.
Hi, I'm Dana, and this is my husband Javier, and my two kids, Lucas and Clara. We sold it all to go travel the world, and we won't stop until we've seen it all.
And that's our bus.
Perfect.
Driving. Vamos, Luki. Vamos, Clary.
And they give us blankets, we've got screens. It's like a...
Two classes, like flying.
It's better than an airplane. Well, maybe.
It's like flying first class. VIP service,
Yeah.
extra leg room.
But these like leg support stands, there's leg support stands,
Blanket.
blankets, screens.
Or
So-
125 baht or 25 bucks.
25 bucks. And this is the VIP. If you go for the regular, I think it's like $16, $17.
Yeah. We wanted to get the frame, but it was full.
Yeah, they keep coming and giving me treats. Look, I've got juice, some kind of chip thing, a bun, and a bottle of wine. So I'm ready to go.
I could bring a Chang beer.
Yeah, a beer would be nice.
Or in Chiang Mai.
Wakey, wakey. The whole time, that was amazing. That went really well. It's 6 in the morning in Chiang Mai. The kids are...
We're out of the half asleep. She is left
Yeah.
the whole time. Tus son tus cosas, son tus juguetes. That's your toys.
Clara.
You have your toys in your bag and you carry them. Do you like going in the bus all night?
Yeah.
Do you remember anything? Okay, so some of us have changed clothes.
Yeah,
Some of us haven't.
No. But we've arrived to Chiang Mai. We've dropped off our stuff at the hotel.
And we're ready to explore the town.
Yeah.
All right, kids, what are you doing?
Lucas! Hey!
Someone to push us. Push us more.
Pushing more. We've just come across a beautiful little market, so let's check it
Chiang
out.
Mai Gate Market.
Gate Market. Let's
So
go.
check it out. Looky, vamos. Nice. More food. Some pickle.
This is, it's got to be pickled, yeah?
Oh, look, all this. Oh, look at the pile of spices. Here.
No way. We've had these ones already, a bunch in the soups.
Yeah,
Yeah. So nice. I don't know what they're called, but they're amazing.
I love them. Bye, thank you.
At the temple of Wat Jet Lin.
Let's go explore it.
Yeah. How many eyes, guys?
One.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. How many years?
1, 2, 3, 4.
People here are just so friendly.
You go to Buddha. This is so sweet.
We always just take our kids on certain things.
Yeah,
So
they
nice.
love things. On the carrot. Pick her up, Luke. Javier. Nice.
Nice. Donkey. Donkey man. Uy, uy, uy. I don't think he'll take it.
Now?
Okay, Clara,
Okay.
grab a handful.
Oh,
Mommy,
Right there.
you're right there.
Oh. They're just waiting right there, eh?
Yup.
You don't see them, and then they just pop out.
well, las manos. Siéntate con la señora Lucky.
Oh, here, that probably should help.
Señora, la señora.
Thank you.
Hola, a ver, ¿cómo lo haces?
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, so that was awesome.
That was so unexpected. There was the nicest man. He showed us around. He was so helpful, so kind with the kids.
Show them how to pray to Buddha.
Yeah, well, that was this old lady that was there praying and
Yeah.
just decided to show the kids how. So it's
Yeah.
so epic.
So epic. We're so lucky. This old man just clearly missing his grandchildren
Yeah.
and just keep giving our kids love and
Yeah.
show them around, and he was just so friendly.
Oh, it was so sweet. So amazing.
Alright, and on to the next temple.
We're in Wat Phone Town now, and the shrines are quite different here.
Yeah? Look at a big tree.
Go check it out.
This is my friend. Here my other friend is.
Oh, the elephant. Yes.
The elephant's a cutie booty.
What?
The elephant's a cutie booty.
A cutie booty, yeah.
Alright, so we made it to the pool,
Yes, we have.
and this is where I'm intending to be the rest of the afternoon until nightfall, where I hope to go for a massage to make up for that bus.
Yeah, it's a hard life we live, eh?
It's a hard knock life for us.
Now, it is hot. I'm
It
going
is
in.
very hot.
Oh, it's chilly.
Dive in.
We're just done swimming. We finally got our room here.
Look at this.
Let's do a tour. Nice big bathroom. For a grand total of $42 a night. At the end of the day, another massage.
And in you go.
Bye.
Bye. Let's see, calvete. No, Lucky, are you ready to get your haircut?
Yes.
How do you feel, Lucky?
Good.
Does it feel fresh?
Yeah.
Hey.
How was it?
Amazing. This is the best one yet, eh?
What is it?
Really good. Yeah.
Okay, where are we going?
Boxing!
Okay, that's good. That's fine. We're gonna watch the boxing. moment.
Well, that's what boxing is about.
We are in a national park and we are doing Sticky Waterfalls. And apparently we have to be in bathing suits with bare feet. Woo! These are the falls that we're gonna climb up. Yikes. Yikes.
That's kind of sticky. Time to climb!
Yeah. She's just a wild child.
Chup chup.
Say bon bon, and you bon bon, bon bon. Oh, yeah. That's a good picture. Where's class? There, look at you. Aww.
Hey, hold it. Mina. Ven, corre.
So the kids are just making some kind of a vitamin medicine package for the elephants, so they get everything, the nutrients they don't get from the other food. Good girl, Gladys. Throw it in there.
Venga, look. Is that medicine?
Medicine.
You get the medicine. Yeah, go ahead. Mama's looking. Say bonbon. Lucas, what are we gonna do?
Rafting.
Inside it?
Clara, are you ready to go rafting?
Their first rafting. Let's go. Okay, you being brave? away for dinner, and Christmas has arrived to Chiang Mai. Check out the lights, they're beautiful. This is a night market, but not a street market, so all the stands are permanent. There's tables all over, and there is live music. The band is just setting up.
Yeah. So look at the selection of foods we have. Crepes.
Yeah.
With Nutella. Okay.
That looks good.
Nice. Ooh, Japanese food.
Japanese food.
That looks amazing. Look at that. Cow moo crispy ball.
That looks amazing.
Oh, that was very good.
Oh, mango smoothies. All sorts of mango
cocoa.
drinks.
The more shish kebabs.
Yeah, skewers, skewers, skewers.
They're very hungry and complicated. Is it nice? It's good? Good. The noodles look very nice.
That's one way of eating a rib. Well, we're all done dinner. Tomorrow we head up north to the highlands near Myanmar for more adventures. So if you like this, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next week.